Hello everyone, this is Zach from WCT. So today, this short video here, I'd like to share with you what is the stocks actually currently in accumulation that I think is suitable, especially for members or some of the friends that are looking for slightly to buy at for long term. Okay, for example, you buy during this accumulation sideway, where the risk everything is slow and you wait for the breakout in 6 months or 1 year's time from now. Okay, so remember accumulation tends to be longer. Okay, like for example, in this case, I'm looking in WCT. So this is back to earlier last year until now, they're actually still doing accumulation. Okay, but volume is getting more interesting with several retest back successfully as support. Okay, so today, this video, we're going to combine weekly charts, daily chart, and look for a trade setups. Okay, and of course, I got 3 counters in this video, but later on I will send more to our members groups there. Personally, this is a few that I'm actually monitoring, especially I want to look for something that slightly in longer term. Okay, now let's go to WCT first since we are looking in this chart. Okay, so few things, and this few counter actually come with similar characteristics, where the background actually come with high volume. Okay, now this is the high volume, and at the time, of course, we also thought they're going to stop and make a nice accumulation, but high volume sometimes returns again. So that's why in my 7 day series of tutorial, remember I mentioned that high volume sometimes is not enough, okay, to determine is this a successful accumulations or not. So sometimes we want to see a successful retest. Okay, when they do a reversal, best they do 2 time retest. Okay, of course, best is 3 times. Okay, so WCT make 3 times, 1, 2, 3. Okay, of course, you can use a short-term trend line. Okay, in this case, based on weekly chart, they're actually turning to sideways, not in the downtrend anymore. So volume is definitely getting higher, especially on our bar. Remember, we go through that also during the masterclass. So this is the characteristics of potential reversal trades from going from downtrends to the accumulation. Okay, so weekly chart does tell us this kind of characteristics. Okay, so if you look into the daily chart, of course, daily chart referring to short term. If you want to do a little bit of short terms, you can always follow the Green Pentagon to help you out to do a quick trades, okay, from the support to resistance. But overall, I think is pretty good. If you realize also, the low actually is getting higher. Of course, now this is the main resistance they need to take over and cross. Okay, so volume on up bar is definitely is kind of like increasing from time to time. So which is telling me that there is potentially a good support still. Okay, now if you realize also this is a downtrend short-term trend line. This is the things that we're going to cover next. Okay, I know a lot of members asking how to use it. So you can, like I said, this is only measure a short period of time. So you can use this trend line, like for example, in this case, it's a bit like sideways to downtrend. So once they cross, which means that they got a chance for them to make a follow through, okay, which is a change of trend. So here definitely is at the moment, okay, they are kind of like bullish. Okay, so of course, if you're long term, I don't mind to maybe buy in this area and you wait for the big breakout. If you are trading, it's kind of close with the main resistance. Okay, so probably if you want to watch, is there any chances for them to end up pullbacks again? Okay, now the next one I would like to go to SPSETIA. Okay, so like I say, these 3 counters is actually it's very similar, and today seems like it's coming following the eco words, right? So for members, I will share around like 9 to 10 counters, okay, all having a similar setups, okay. So again, high volumes, change the trend, okay, few things we're looking into, okay, test, and test. Weekly chart turns to Green Pentagon, and I believe WCT will turn into Green Pentagon as well. So for members, if you are doing accumulation counters, okay, what you do is that you can combine the trend line. Okay, this is a short-term trend line, seems like pointing up a little bit. Combination with Pentagon. Okay, so sometimes in weekly chart you might miss the Pentagons because due to the volume. Okay, some of the case that I share later on, the weekly chart might not have the Green Pentagon, but you follow the daily chart, okay, for the Green Pentagon. So this is how you can use it, okay, because of the differences, okay, in terms of the volume. But this especially volume is pretty good, okay. So like I think we do talk about during our live FB the time 2 weeks back, turning to Green Pentagon now seems like pointing up, okay. So daily charts too, Green Pentagon, NS, okay, so volume is building up, crossing on the resistance, okay. Now last one, okay, last one, this is a good thing because I just want to keep this video short. Now some accumulation doesn't come with a straightforward type, like for example WCT and Genting, right? So in this case here, sorry, WCT and SPSETIA. Okay, sorry about that. So for Genting M, okay, so this is like slightly different because this accumulation come with Shakeout. Okay, so hopefully by now members you'll know what is Shakeout. Okay, if not, go back again to 7-day tutorial series. You will learn more about the Shakeout things. Okay, so Shakeout completed. Okay, we got test 1, 2, 3. Okay, and turnings into Green Pentagon last week. Okay, so if you look into the daily chart again, seems like they are heading to the resistance. If you ask me, can break or not, I cannot answer you this because personally I don't know. But if you are looking for something long term, you don't mind to hold and into this accumulation. Probably, you want to check out. Okay, this kind of similar setups. Okay, so now this is a 3 counters. Okay, of course, like I said, currently in the market there are plenty of this kind of accumulation counters. Okay, low risk. Like I said, you can combination with the weekly and the daily. So I got other counters I will share later on. And if you like this video here, make sure you subscribe to this channel, click the like buttons for me, and comment below, okay, any other stocks that you think in accumulations right now that I missed out to mention in this video. Okay, so I will see you in the next video. Thank you.